Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to transfer the files and videos from your Android phone to laptop or system. First step, you need to insert this USB cable into your phone and then laptop. So connect with your phone. So this is the connector and now we have connected it. Now you just need to connect this end from your laptop like this, and once it is connected it will charge your system automatically. But you need to change some setting. Scroll it up from here and you will see here charging options. Here you can see there, this is the option. You just need to tap it, this option, and just click on tap option here, and you will see here 3 to 4 options here. We are going to transfer the files here, then select the second option here and then verify it's you. Even you can just verify with the finger, and now it's verified. And once it is verified, it will be shown on your system. Open File Explorer, just keep your like this, and now go to this PC and you will see your Android phone here in the File Explorer. Double click on this your phone internal storage and you will see here DCIM. Look for this folder and now look for your camera, and once you see the camera here, you will see all the files and folders here. So in order to copy and paste the data from it, just select the files here which you want to copy and paste. Suppose that I want to select this file from here, then click on that option, then click on copy and simply paste it here. And even you can search here as well the title. You can rename your video name or the file name and then simply copy and paste here like the data here which I have already shown. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.